How to add downloaded transition in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, make sure DaVinci Resolve is open on your computer. Now locate the downloaded .drfx file in your file explorer. You can find free or paid transitions from websites that offer DaVinci Resolve templates like Motion Array, Invator Elements, or other creator sites. Next, simply double-click on the .drfx file. DaVinci Resolve will automatically detect it and prompt you with an install window. Click on Install and it will add the transition to the correct location inside Resolve. After that, go to the Effects panel by clicking Effects on the top left corner. Then, scroll down to the video transition section or search the name of the transition you just installed. Now, just drag and drop the transition between the two clips on your timeline. Play it back to preview how it looks, and if needed, adjust the timing or settings in the Inspector tab. And that's it. Now you know how to add downloaded transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.